Hello students, in today's class we will learn spreadsheet which you also say as Microsoft Excel. To understand it completely, watch the video till the end, and if you find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the more notifications of upcoming topics. So let's start. First of all, before starting the practical of that, I will tell you what is a spreadsheet. But a spreadsheet is a file that is made up of rows and columns, and basically it's help you in systematic arrangement of data, sorting of data, and to perform calculations on numerical data. Like we will always write numerical data in our spreadsheet. Okay, so it is a most popular spreadsheet software that is also used in business, engineering, and etc. And it is used for data arrangement, to perform automatic calculations. For this, it means to perform the complex calculations very easily. We will use this particular software known as spreadsheet software. So let's start with this practical. You all have seen it is the window. It is a common window of a spreadsheet program. Here, first one is my title bar. By default, the book name is, that is book 1. Here is the name box. It displays the active cell. Like suppose if I move my cursor over here, it's in name box, the name get changed. This is my formula bar, where suppose I'm writing here anything, then that will display in my particular cell. Next one is my row heading. This is my row heading. Row heading will be represented by number, and this is my column heading. It is all alphabet. Next, this is my pointer. You all have seen this plus sign. This is my pointer, and this is simple. That is the intersection of row and column. We say it as a cell. It is my cell, and this is here. It is the sheet tab. Sheet 1. If we want to add more sheet, then we can directly click on plus button. Then we can add more sheet. So on which sheet we want to work, we can do our work. Then we have a scroll bar. This is my scroll bar, and this one is my scroll bar. We have two scroll bars. So this time I haven't mentioned anything, so the scroll bar size is very small. But if we will do worksheet, then it will get increased. Okay, now we have a next thing. So we can say these are my worksheets. So workbook is the content that will contain worksheets. We can add n number of worksheets. So let's start with a small practical. Suppose I want here, let us take an example. I will make a sheet of a students. Here I will give roll number. Here I will give the student name. Here I will give the subject, and here I will give the marks. Okay, and here I will give the total of the marks. Okay, now I want to give the roll number. I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now name, let us say I will give A, B, C, D, E. Now subject, first one is my maths, second is my computer, then third one is my science, then SST, then last one is English. Okay, suppose a student got marks. How many marks? Suppose here we got 89, in this 90, and then this particular 98, and then this particular 75, and now a student in this subject, he got 65 marks. Okay, now I want to put total. I will cut total from here to here. Okay, this is my total. Now what I want, total. Now how we will have to do the total? First of all, select the cell from here to here. Okay, or you can directly write here the formula is equals to, that is sum. You can select it from here. That is equals to sum. You will have to make the bracket, and here you will have to write the number 1. So we can put the range over here. We will click here, it will automatically write the address of the cell. Then we have to put colon symbol. It will take F5, but what we want F9. F9. So we will close the bracket, and when will we press the enter key, it will give you the total of this particular table. So it's a very small practical for the beginners. Now I will format this table. Suppose I will format, first of all I will select it. Okay, now I will select the border. I will give the all borders. It means each and everything will be written in border. Now here I will keep it in the center. So from the alignment group, you will have to click on center. Now I will make it as a bold. Okay. Now your data will get bold. Now I also want that this should be display in center. So I will click on center. Now I want to increase its size, then directly I can increase the size. From here I can increase the size. I also want this thing should be come in between, that is center. Okay, now I want that total should come in left alignment. It will be here. I want it total, and this is my total. I will make it as a bold. Okay, now if I want to highlight it, then I can give any color which you want. Suppose I have given this color to my sheet, then I want to give roll number as with this particular color, then I will give the name with this particular color. It means you can use any color according to your requirement. Okay, now I will give with this particular in yellow color. Okay, then marks, I will keep the marks as it is, but I will keep the marks as bold. So this is my worksheet. This is how we can increase the column width. Now I can increase the column height. Then this is how we increase the. Now I want that we should align it in between, middle align. हमने middle align कर दिया. Okay. So this is how we will perform a small practical. So if you know the small practical, then surely you are able to perform the bigger practical. So in next video, I will continue with some other function, some inbuilt function of spreadsheet. For that, kindly check my video continuously and please subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.